In this question, we have to find the components of the vector a bar, which is 2i cap plus 3j cap, along the directions of I cap plus j cap and I cap minus j cap. So here the concept required is, let us take two vectors a bar and b bar, which are at an angle theta with each other. If I want the component of a bar along b bar, which is this length, this will be is equals to mod a bar into cos theta. This mod a bar into cos theta can be derived from dot product. If we consider dot product of the vectors a bar and b bar, that will be is equals to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos theta, where theta is the angle between the vectors a bar and b bar. So here we can write mod a bar cos theta will be is equals to a bar dot b bar upon mod b bar. So I'm going to use this formula directly in this question. So first let us find out the component of the a bar along this direction of I cap plus j cap. Let us take this vector as b bar and let us take this vector as c bar. So first I am going to find out component of a bar along the direction of b bar. So here I am taking this as first part, mod a into cos theta. This will be equals to a bar dot b bar upon mod b bar. So if we take the dot product of these two, I caps it will be 2 and j caps it will be 3 upon magnitude of b bar, which will be root of 1 square upon 1 square, which will be root 2. So this will be equals to 5 upon root 2. Second part, we have to calculate the component of a bar along the direction of c bar. Let us assume here the angle between a bar and c bar is some alpha. So the component will be mod a cos alpha. This will be is equals to a bar dot c bar upon mod c bar. So if we take the dot product, I caps it will be 2, j caps it will be minus 3 upon magnitude of c will be again root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2. So this will be is equals to minus 1 upon root 2. This will be the solution for this question.